In any home you live in, you're going to have a bookshelf or shelving of some sort that has to be styled. But don't let this overwhelm you. It's actually pretty simple. Today, I'm going to give you a few simple steps that will help you achieve this on your own. The first thing you're going to need is a clean and cleared off shelf. This is a perfect opportunity to dust off those shelves that haven't been touched in a while. Next, you need to pick your color scheme. I have chosen neutrals, but you can choose whatever you want: blues, greens, or even metals. Once you've chosen your colors, you need to make a pile grouping light things together. To begin decorating your shelves, start with the larger items first. Then place your smaller items, making sure to fill in all the empty spots. Take a few steps back, check your shelves for balance, making sure you don't have too many large or small items to one side. The last thing I like to do is add plants or various types of greenery to fill in and bring life and extra pop of color to the shelves. The way I style my shelves may be different than the way you style yours, but as long as you have everything evenly dispersed and you like what you see, you've done a great job and you're good to go.